Today we're going to play a game. The object of the game is to get a bowling ball through an obstacle course. The obstacle course shall consist of a starting line and 3 bowling pins. The goal is to start behind the starting line and weave through all the pins and then cross back over the starting line. To make it interesting, we want the ball to go through the obstacle course as quickly as possible, but also by touching the bowling ball as little as possible. The score for a trial run will be the time of the trial in seconds plus the number of contacts made on the ball. Low score win. If the ball hits a wall, that counts as a contact. If a pin falls over due to the ball or your body, you get an additional 10-point penalty. To get the ball through the obstacle course, we will use this highly advanced tool, the bowling ball persuader. You may not use any part of your body to contact the ball. Legal contact between the persuader and the ball must be in discrete instantaneous hits, such as this. Pushing or dragging the ball with the persuader is not allowed, and doing so will bring shame and disgrace upon all of us. Let's go play.